Hello everyone, here we have one word problem. The cost of 4 pencils, 3 pens and 2 erasers is rupees 60 given. The cost of 2 pencils, 4 pens and 6 erasers is given rupees 90, whereas the cost of 6 pencils, 2 pens and 3 erasers is rupees 70. And you have to find the cost of each item by matrix method. So let us consider here. We have to find the cost of each item. So suppose the cost of each item means cost of each pencil, each pen and each eraser be rupees X, Y and Z. Let the cost of each pencil means cost of one pencil, one pen and one eraser be rupees X, Y and Z respectively. Then from the given information, therefore from given information we get 4 pencils. The cost of one pencil is rupees X, so cost of 4 pencils will be 4x. Similarly, 3 pens cost is 3y and 2 erasers cost is 2z, and the total cost will be 60 from given information. Similarly, from given second information, the cost of 2 pencils, that will be 2x, cost of 4 pens, it will be 4y, and cost of 6 erasers will be 6z, and that cost is given 90. Similarly, the cost of 6 pencils, it will be 6x, cost of 2 pens, it will be 2y, and cost of 3 erasers, it will be 3z, and the total cost is given rupees 70. So here, from the given information, we get these 3 linear equations. Equation 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to solve these 3 equations by using matrix method. So we will write these equations here. These equations can be written in matrix form, in matrix equation, as Ax equal to B, and that matrix equation is nothing but the matrix A of coefficient, that is 4, 3, 2, second row 2, 4, 6, third row contains elements 6, 2, 3. This is the matrix of coefficients obtained from these 3 simultaneous equations, linear equations. Here X is nothing but the matrix of variables. Here variables are X, Y, Z. Those are unknowns that we have to find here. And it is equal to the matrix of constants, that is 60, 90, 70. 60, 90 and 70. Now we get this as our matrix equation, X equal to B. Now we will reduce this matrix A into either lower triangular matrix or upper triangular matrix. Let us convert this matrix A into upper triangular matrix. For that we need first 1 here, or we need 0, 0, 0 at these positions. Here we want to make these elements 2, 6 and these 2. We will reduce these 3 elements to 0. Before that, or for that, we will convert first this element 4, that is pivot element. We will convert this as 1. So here for making this 4, we have to convert this 4 into 1. For that, if you take the half of this, then it will become 3, and subtract from 4, then this will become 1. So by first step, so by so here by R1 changes such that R1 minus half of this, half of R3, it will leads this 4. So we get here it is equal to 4 minus half of this is 3, so it becomes 1. 3 minus half of this is 1, so we get here 3 minus half of this is 1, so we get 2. 2 minus half of this is 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2, that is half. X by Z is our second matrix. And to the right, if we apply the same operation, then 60 minus half of this is 35. So 60 minus 35, it will be 25. Remaining are same, 97. So this has 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 3. Now to obtain here 0, R2 minus twice R1 and R3 minus 6 times R1. Using that operation, we get both zeros here. Therefore, by R2 minus twice R1 and, or I will write here, R2 implies R2 minus twice R1 and R3 implies R3 minus 6 R1. If we get 1 here, then it will be easy to make these two elements 0. Now, therefore here we get 2 minus 2, that is 0. First row, no change in that first row, so 1, 2 and a half. 2 minus 2 is 0. 6 minus 6, because we are multiplying first row by 1, so 0. This minus twice of this becomes 0. This minus 6 times this. 6 times this means minus 12. So 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Now R2 minus twice R1. Twice R1 is 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 3 minus 6 times of this. 6 times of this will be 3. So 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Then into X, Y, Z equal to 25. R1 is same. R2 minus twice R1. R2 minus twice is 50, so 40. R3 minus 6 times of this. 6 times of this will be 150. So 70 minus 150, it will be minus 80. It will be minus 80. Now what we want? If we interchange these two rows, then 0 will occur at this position, because we need 0 at this third row, second column position. So just interchange these two. At the same time, interchange these two elements also, because we are changing rows. So by R2 interchanges with R3. So by interchanging these two rows, we get our required form, such that 1, 2, half into 0 minus 10, 0, then 0, 0, 5. This is our first matrix into XYZ. Is equal to, here interchange say R2 and R3, so we get 25 minus 80 and 40. Now we get here upper triangular matrix. This has upper triangular matrix. So write here reduced linear equations. So by taking multiplications, we get here matrix as x plus 2y, x plus 2y plus z by 2. Here multiplication gives us minus 0 minus 10y only into 0, then 0, 0 and 5z. That is equal to 25 minus 80 and 40. So we get here two equal matrices. Equating the corresponding elements of these two equal matrices, we get equations here as x plus 2y plus 0 by 2, x plus 2y plus 0 by 2 is equal to 25. This is our first simplified equation. Second, minus 10y equal to minus 80. And 5z equal to 40. From last these two equations we get easily the z equal to 8, that is our first value. Here y equal to, cancelling negative sign and 10 again, y equal to 8, y equal to 8, z equal to 8. And if you put everything, these two values in this equation, then this will give us x plus 8 into 2, that is 16, plus z is 8 upon 2, that is 4, equal to 25. So this is 16 plus 4 is 20. Cancelling it, we get here x equal to 5. So x equal to 5, y equal to 8 and z equal to 8. Let us verify whether those values are correct or not in these equations. Putting x equal to 5, we get 20. 20 plus 24, that is 44. 44 plus 16, that will be 60. Those three x, y, z values satisfy equation 1. Similarly, check for third equation. 6 into x, that is 30, plus 2y is 16. 30 plus 16 is 46. 46 plus 8 into 3, that is 24. So 46 plus 24 equal to 70. So our answer is correct. So what to do here? Just you have to form this system of equations. This system of equation, formation of system of equation is very much important here. If you easily form this system of equations, then just follow the method of reduction. By using method of reduction, we obtain here upper triangular matrix, and getting the reduced Simon's equations, you can easily solve these equations and you will get the values of x, y, z. At last, don't forget to check whether your values of x, y, z are correct or wrong. So this is the solution of first problem. Let us move towards this second one. The second problem is here. It is something different. The total cost of 3 TV sets and 2 VCRs is rupees 35,000. Here, the cost of 3 TVs and 2 VCRs is given 35,000. That is the first statement given. The second, the shopkeeper wants profit of 1,000 per TV and rupees 500 per VCR. He wants 1,000 profit of 1,000 and 500 per VCR. Again, the next condition is given that he can sell 2 TV sets and 1 VCR. 2 TVs and 1 VCR and get the total revenue of rupees 21,500 rupees. In this case, you have to find the cost price and selling price of a TV sets and a VCR. We need first cost price. Obviously, cost price will be less than selling price. Here, the one word is used, total revenue. What is meant by total revenue? Total revenue means the amount he obtained. That means it will be actually selling price, total selling price. By selling 2 TV sets and 1 VCR, it is given 21,500. So let us start. Here we have to find the cost price. Actual here the shopkeeper earns profit of 1,000. Obviously, if you find cost price, if you add this 1,000, then it will become selling price. If you find cost price of VCR, the rupees 5,000 is its profit. So if you add 500 in cost price of VCR, you will get the selling price of VCR. So no need here to find selling price in initial steps. At last we can find that selling prices. First we will find the cost prices of each item here. So let us consider the cost prices. Let us consider that rupees X and rupees Y be the cost prices 1 TV and 1 VCR respectively. TV means television, VCR means video cassette recorder. Now we are not using this VCR because we have now CDs or VCDs. This CD means compact disc, this video compact discs. Now we are using discs instead of these cassettes. Let us try to write these given information in the form of linear equations. Here, the total cost of 3 TV sets and 2 VCR is rupees given 35,000. Here we have suppose rupees X is the cost of 1 TV. So cost of 3 TVs will be 3x. Therefore, from the given information, we get 3x. How we get 3x? Because we have the cost of 3 TVs. X is the cost of 1 TV, so cost of 3 TVs will be 3x. Similarly, Y is the cost of 1 VCR, so cost of 2 VCRs will be 2y, and the total of these two costs is rupees 35,000. So we get easily here our first equation, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 35,000. Now let us move towards second equation. For that, what is given? The shopkeeper earns profit of rupees 1,000 and rupees 500 per VCR. So this will be the profit, and this given total revenue of 21,500. This is the total amount he obtained by selling the 2 TVs and 1 VCR. So we want the selling price of 1 TV and 1 VCR. Let us find that. Here, the selling price of 1 TV is equal. What will be that selling price? Its cost is X. We have suppose X is the cost plus profit. Profit is 1,000. So selling price will be x plus 1000, and the selling price of 1 VCR, it will be y plus 500. Understood how we get these two values? Because profit is given 1000 and 500 respectively on TB and VCR, and the cost of 1 TB is x rupees and cost of 1 VCR is rupees y. So we get those selling prices of TB and VCR. Now the next is given, he can sell 2 TV sets and 1 VCR to get the total revenue of this. So this is the total revenue obtained. Therefore, we get 2 into that x plus 1000 plus 1 VCR. So 1 into y plus 500 is equal to 21,500. Simplifying, we get here 2x plus y is equal to, I will write here directly, this will be 2000 and plus 500. So 2500, taking it to the right side, it will become 2500 means we get here 18,000. Sorry, 19,000, not 18. Subtracting 2500 from this, we get 19,000, and this will be our equation number 2. Now we can use matrix method to find the values of x and y. So the equation 1 and 2, equations 1 and 2 can be written in the form of matrix equation Ax equal to b, that is nothing but A is the matrix of coefficients, that is 3, 2, 2, 1, into x is the matrix of variables, that will be x, y, and b is the matrix of constants. Take the constants to the right, which are 35,000 and 19,000. Okay, so we get here matrix equation Ax equal to b. Now we want here upper triangular matrix or lower triangular matrix. Now we want 0 here. How can we get 0? If you divide this by 3, we will get 1, and then multiplying it by 2, then subtraction. Otherwise, we can get 0 here by multiplying this by 2 by 3 and subtracting from this 2. I will write that calculation. 2 minus, if you multiply this 3 by 2 by 3, then this 3 will get cancelled, and 2 minus 2 will leads to 0. So multiplying this element by 2 by 3, we get 0 here. Operate the same operation for that row. So I will write here by R2 changes such that R2 minus 2 by 3 of R1. Otherwise, you have to make this 3 1. For that, you can take the subtraction. 3 minus 2, it will 1. Then R2 minus twice of R1. If you follow 2 steps, then also you will get here 0. But without finding or converting this element into 1, we can convert this into 0. For that, we have choose this operation. Let us move further. Here, by this operation, we get 3, 2, first row as it is, second matrix xy as it is, first element of these constants of matrix remains unchanged. Here 2 minus 2 of 2/3 of 3, that is 0. 1 minus 2/3 of this, 1 minus 2/3 of 2. So it will be 3 minus 4, that is minus 1/3. Here now 19,000 minus 2/3 of 35,000. What will be this? 35 to 70, and this 57,000 minus this is 1053 upon 3. So it will be 43 plus 5, that is 48,000 by 3. 48,000 by 3. Okay. So we get these values here. Now this matrix get converted into upper triangular matrix. So we can now write here reduced simultaneous equations. So take the multiplications of this 3x plus 2y. Therefore this is 3x plus 2y is first element. Second element is 0 minus 1/3 x, sorry not x, y, and it is equal to 35,000 and actually it is 16,000. But you can keep it this because 1/3 here is also. So we write the same as 48,000 upon 3 with I think negative sign. Because that 56 minus 1,000, 105,000. So here we get, by equality of matrices, we get 3x plus 2y is equal to 35,000 and minus 1/3 y is equal to minus 48,000 upon 3. This will gives us cancelling minus 1/3 minus 1/3. We get y equal to something wrong, I think. Therefore, R1 3 2 in second matrix xy equal to, here R1 is 35,000 now let us take this 2 minus 2, that is 0. This minus twice of means 1 minus 2/3 of 2, that will be minus 1/3. Then next here 19,000 minus 2/3 of 35,000. So this will be 57,000 minus 70,000 upon 3. So it will be 13,000 upon 3 with negative sign. So minus 13,000 upon 3. So here on quadrangular matrix, So we can write these equations, matrix equation, into Seibert's equations. Therefore, first take the multiplication, matrix multiplication. This is a matrix of 2 by 2 order. This is of 2 by 1 order. Number of columns and number of rows are equal. So we get a matrix of order 2 by 1 means containing 2 rows and only 1 column. So this is 3x plus 2y. First element. Second element 0 minus 1/3 x. 1/3 y. And it is equal to the same 35,000 and minus 13,000 upon 3. Therefore, by equality of two matrices, because both matrix of same order 2 by 1, 2 by 1, so equate the corresponding elements, we get 3x plus 2y equal to 35,000 and minus 1/3 y is equal to 13,000 upon 3. From this we can get easily, again you can give numbers here, equation 3, equation 4. Therefore equation 4 gives us value of y, that is y is equal to 13,000, and using and equation 3 gives us 3x equal to 35,000 minus 2y, that is 35,000 minus 2y, 2y will be 26,000. So 3x equal to this 35 minus 26, that will be 9. Therefore x is equal to 3,000. So this is x, this is y. So in answer we can write the cost price of 1 TV will be rupees 3,000 and cost of 1 VCR will be 13,000. Obviously the selling price is x plus 1,000, so that selling price will be 3,000 plus 1,000, that is 4,000, and the selling price of 1 VCR, it will be 13,000 plus 500, that will be 13,500. So once you get the values of cost prices, then you can easily find the selling prices, because we have used this relation here. So this is the way to solve such word problems. Again, there are so many word problems. In next lecture we will solve remaining or more 2 problems from this article. Okay, thank you.